Hey guys, for last few days in the market, the biggest discussion is going on about budget 2023. So today I'm going to tell you about an application which is approved by our finance minister and you should have this application in your phone right now. So we know for applying a credit card online or even applying for a loan, we need to provide the KYC details, right? And we have so many cards like voter card, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and we don't carry all the time. So it would become very difficult for us to provide these KYC details. It's a hectic. Now, our finance minister is saying there is a one-stop solution right now available, which is the DigiLocker app by which this KYC can be done automatically. You don't need to provide any documents. So the KYC can be done with the help of your phone. All you need to do, open your Play Store or App Store, download the DigiLocker app, and there you can upload your Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter card, ration card, mark sheet, and many more. And if you are outside, you can also ping just writing hi and you can get your all important documents, right? For more videos, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.